Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to make your Webflow site look cleaner and more user-friendly on mobile devices, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to hide specific elements or even entire sections on the mobile version of your site using Webflow's design editor. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to control what your viewers see on phones, so your site looks polished no matter the device. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's head straight to the design editor of your Webflow project. This is where all the magic happens. If you're not sure where the design editor is, it's simply the main area you use to tweak your site's layout and style. Once you're there, you'll notice along the top of the editor there's a set of icons that represent different device sizes like desktop, tablet, and mobile. These are called breakpoints. Take a quick moment and click open the Breakpoint View dropdown, the little menu that lets you switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile screen sizes for previewing and editing. This step is absolutely crucial. If you haven't built using responsive design before, what you're doing here is telling Webflow, hey, let me see how this page will appear on a phone. Go ahead and click on the mobile icon in that dropdown. Now, everything you tweak from this point forward will only affect the mobile view, so you don't have to worry about accidentally hiding elements on your desktop or tablet site. Pretty neat, right? Alright, next let's jump over to the Navigator panel on the left side of your editor. Think of the Navigator like a map that shows every section and element on your page, almost like folders within folders. Find the section or element you want to hide on mobile. For example, maybe you've got a big hero section with a video background that looks awesome on a big desktop monitor, but you'd rather not have that show up on tiny phone screens. Click to select that section right in the Navigator. Once you've got your section selected, head over to the Style tab on the right. This is the panel with all your layout and appearance settings. Here, look for the layout setting. It might take a second to find if you're new to the panel, so no worries if you need to poke around a little. Inside the layout section, you'll see a display property. Right now, it's probably set to something like block or flex. Click the dropdown and choose none, and that's it. The entire section, along with everything inside it, is now hidden on just the mobile view. If you switch back to desktop or tablet, you'll see everything is still there as normal, so it's super safe and doesn't affect the rest of your site. Now let's say you only want to hide a single element like a button or an image rather than the whole section. Totally doable. Just navigate to the specific item in the Navigator, click to select it, go to the Style tab and set its display to none, exactly like you did for the section. This gives you tons of control over your site's mobile experience, right down to the tiniest piece. And don't worry if you don't see changes right away. Sometimes it helps to toggle between device views or preview mode to see the results. That's all there is to it. By hiding clutter or unnecessary elements on mobile, your website will feel much smoother and more focused for your visitors. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Webflow trick you want to learn. And if you found this guide helpful, go ahead and give it a like and make sure to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.